Welcome to Module 5. You have finished the production phase, and you now have a complete interior file. To turn that file into revenue, we have to shift our mindset entirely toward algorithmic sales strategy. A meticulously designed interior will generate 0 royalties if the Amazon search engine buries it on page 10 of the search results. We will solve this by engineering 3 distinct elements: a sustainable premium price point, a mobile-optimized click magnet cover, and a data-driven SEO-stuffed product description. Getting these 3 variables right forces the algorithm to recognize your book as a top-tier product and push it directly in front of active buyers. Step 1 is setting your pricing strategy. You need to establish a strict baseline for your new catalog. Your minimum price point is $9.99. KDP royalty adjustments have impacted payouts. The previously dominant $7.99 price point now yields diminished returns due to print costs. To maintain margins, you must price at $9.99 or above. Many hesitate, assuming they'll lose sales to cheaper generic titles flooding the market. We bypass that generic competition entirely by utilizing the collection engine model. By packaging your book with cohesive, branded aesthetics that suggest a larger universe of content, you create a perceived value that easily supports a higher purchase price. This pricing is a calculated positioning tool. You use that $9.99 tag to signal premium quality to the buyer, ensuring your publishing business remains financially viable. For the exterior, we design for the Amazon marketplace. Buyers shop primarily on phones, quickly scrolling past rows of tiny compressed thumbnails. To ensure your cover actually captures their attention, you will use the 10% thumbnail test. Open your draft cover in your design software and scale your view down to exactly 10%. Give yourself 2 seconds to look at it. If you cannot immediately identify the specific niche, the design fails. Authors routinely make the mistake of approving covers that feature delicate, intricate artwork. While it looks stunning at full resolution, it condenses into a confusing, muddy blur on a mobile screen. If the cover fails, correct its geometry. Scale your core visual subject until it occupies 70% of the canvas space. Then increase typography weight and adjust background colors to maximize contrast. The title must punch through the visual noise. Ruthless visual simplicity at this microscopic scale dictates your click-through rates. Make it impossible for the scrolling buyer to misunderstand what you are selling. Once the cover secures the click, the metadata must secure the sale. Do not rely on a basic AI prompt to write your product description. Instead, we will capture verified market demand using a workflow called ethical keyword stuffing. Start by navigating to Amazon and identifying the top 5 best-selling titles within your specific micro-niche. Physically copy the live product descriptions from all 5 of those competitors. Take that raw text and paste it directly into a new Notebook LM project. Submit this exact prompt to the system. Analyze these 5 descriptions. Extract the 20 most potent keywords and psychological hooks. Write a new KDP description for my book that naturally integrates these keywords. By processing the existing top sellers, the AI maps the exact psychological triggers and phrasing that are currently working in the algorithm. Constructing your product page from these verified search terms guarantees a higher conversion rate than attempting to guess what buyers want to read. You now have a complete, fully armed KDP launch package, structurally designed to maintain a premium profit margin over the long term. Before proceeding, here are your 2 immediate action items. 1. Apply the 10% thumbnail test to your draft cover and fix any scale issues. 2. Generate your SEO-optimized description using Notebook LM. Pause this video right now and complete these 2 steps for your current project. Once your assets are finalized, we have to protect them. Algorithmic optimization yields 0 returns if your publishing account gets suspended. In Module 6, we will cover the strict legal and compliance rules required to keep your catalog live.